Welcome. Let's dive into time-saving maintenance tips for hard floors, slashing your labor hours starting today.
Shrinking cleaning windows are tough. So how do you maintain massive square footage on a super tight schedule?
The real challenge is balancing those sky-high labor costs against the absolute need for safe, pristine floors. Proper identification is crucial. Use this 3-step method. Visually check the pattern, feel the surface, then spot test. Getting this right prevents catastrophic mistakes, like stripping the factory wear layers off luxury vinyl. Total nightmare. Beware the soil redistribution system. That's our inside joke for dirty mop buckets that just spread dirt everywhere. You only get one dip. After that, string mops literally just smear dirty soil right up your baseboards. Plus, traditional flat mops totally waste time by pushing dry soil straight into deep grout-lined valleys. Want to save real time? Bring in the auto scrubbers. They do the heavy lifting and never call out sick. This unlocks parallel work. A floor tech preps by desk mopping or scraping while the robotic scrubber cleans simultaneously. Rule number 1 for winter salt, always sweep first. Scrubbing it immediately just leaves a smeared white haze. Now, rapid restoration. We pair common flooring problems with their absolute fastest manual or chemical solutions. Erase black shoe scuffs instantly using a simple tennis ball on a stick. No heavy equipment needed. Diamond-impregnated pads are the ultimate shortcut for terrazzo, saving massive time by cleaning and polishing simultaneously. So, ask yourself, is your current equipment taking you as far as you want or hurting your bottom line?